Everybody, and welcome back to Real Estate School. So in this video we're going to look at what is a real estate broker. A real estate broker is someone you can work with if you want to sell your home or buy a home. The broker will meet with you and discuss what your budget is if you're buying a home. When buying a home, the real estate broker will look for homes in the area that you want to live. Once a few homes are found, the broker will usually take you to the home and show you the inside. If you like the home enough, you can make an offer and the broker will discuss it with the seller on your behalf. Of course, if you plan to sell your home, the broker can give you an estimate of how much money you might be able to get from your home. And when you sell your home, the broker will be responsible for showing others your home and relaying offers that are made to you. Well, we hope you enjoyed that explanation. Feel free to subscribe, like and share, hit the bell for further videos. And of course, welcome to Real Estate School. Cheers!